Today we will be doing LeetCode number 283, which is move zeros. Given an array nums, write a function to move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. To solve this problem, we can approach this with a two-pointer solution. We want to traverse the array with the I variable. Every time we find a number that's not equal to 0, we'll place it to where pointer is pointing at in the array. Then we'll just add 1 to the pointer variable. By the time we reach the end of the array, we'll have a list full of non-zero numbers on the left side. Wherever pointer ends up, we'll just add zeros to the rest of the array. I want to initialize my pointer at 0, which will keep track of where we're inserting the numbers that are not equal to 0. And I want to go through my list, so I'll do for num in nums. And we only care about if the number that we're currently at is not equal to 0, because this means we have to move it to the left side of the array. So I want to check if num is not equal to 0. Then I would like to place this number at the current position of the pointer variable. So num pointer is equal to num. And I meant to write nums. And then I also would like to add 1 to the pointer so it goes to the next index. So pointer plus equals 1. And then at the end, our pointer variable will be where we need to start inserting the zeros to fill the rest of the array. So we can just do for I in range of pointer and then the length of the array. And we can just insert zeros. And if we submit the solution, yep. Thank you for watching, and I hope it helped.